make sure that your dates format come out like this, which is you have your years, your revenue by year, and your revenue by each of the months in a line chart like this. What you are going to do is basically this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to actually create this. Now, to create this, you go over to any of these charts. I am going to just do a quick insert of my pivot chart. So I'm going to look for my data. Data should be here. Okay, now I'm just going to click on any of these, go to my insert menu, then go to pivot table. I am going to use an existing sheet, which I'm going to just pick this one. I'm going to go to the start. I think it's right here. By region, I think it's by, yeah, this is it. So I'm going to click on this and click OK. Now I have my new pivot table. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my revenue to my values. So I'm going to get sum of revenue. Then I'm going to move my order date right to my rows. Okay. When I do this, I'm going to get these values here. You see your values is in both here and in also it is also in quarters, but I don't want it to quarters, so I am going to drag my quarters out of this. So I'm going to get year and month. No, I also don't need it in date order. I'm going to drag this out. Okay, now I have my year and my month. Now to get this effect, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this out. Just okay, Control C. Now I'll simply paste this somewhere here. Or anywhere here to paste this. Okay. Now, or did I cut this? I think I cut this. So Control C and Control V. Okay, I think I have the both of them. Now for the first one, I am going to do something very simple. I'm going to move this month out. Okay, now I'm going to get this value. And what I'm going to do here is a simple bar chart. So go to your inserts, go to your recommended, or click a bar chart straight up and go to a simple bar chart, and you're going to get your bar chart. Remove your field buttons and do all the needful here. Definitely you are not going to need this legend, so I'm going to remove my legend, remove this, and just call this revenue by year. Revenue by year. Okay, press enter. And the cool thing about this data is that it's is that it automatically updates anytime my query from my SQL server is being updated. Okay, so I'm just going to move this here as well. Now move this over here. Now to make this cool line chart, I can't use this directly with the original method by just clicking my insert, go to a particular option I want and click on that. I can't do that. Okay, if I do that, I'm not going to get the type of line chart that I want, which is not the ideal situation for what I am trying to achieve. Okay, so when I do this, you're going to see this option, which is not the ideal option. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this. Now go back to this, click anywhere here, click on charts, click on the line chart. So I'm using the line chart, click on a line chart. Okay, now I have my line, my empty graph right here. So this gives me to the next option, which is to click on my select data. Now I'm going to automatically populate my data by myself. Okay, so what I need the line chart for 2020, 2016, 2017, and as well 2018. So what I'm going to click on this, click on 2017, click OK. And I'm going to select the series. The data I want to use for this is the sums here. So from here to here, these are the data I want to use for this. Press OK. Now I'm going to get this option. Okay, it's fine. I'm getting my 12 month in months. I would want them in this particular order, but for now, I'm just going to leave this as it is. Okay, now go to the next one, go to 2017 for this. Now for this, remove all of these options. Now go down and get all my series. Press enter. Now we got 2017. Now do the same thing for 2018. Now click on 2018 right here. Sorry. Yeah. Now go to the next one. Click on and select everything from this sum. Now we have all our data. So 2017. But now if you notice, we just have, okay, I can move up. But if you notice, we're just having 1, 2, 3, 4, 12, which is not the ideal. So I'm going to click on edit. Now, it's like, what am I going to select? So I'm going to choose all of these optionalities and click enter. Okay, now press OK. Now, when I go back to my option, you're going to see my date. Okay, so I can easily now click on this, adding my legend back in, and move it to the bottom for a more effective visual. Okay, so this is my data right here. I think I made a mistake with my dates, so I'm going to go back to here and click on my this edit. Now just click on this option, this by itself, and press OK and OK as well. Now I have my data perfectly done. So this is basically how you create your line chart and your bar chart for your revenue by year and revenue by month. Okay, that is it for this video, and if you have any more questions, you can as well send it up to me and I'll give you the answer to those questions.